Okay, made it back to the hotel.
We did.
Got changed.
Yeah, we did.
And now we're going swimming.
I can't wait.
I know, neither can I. Neither can this little guy.
Yeah, he's.
Woo! Daddy dropping all kind of stuff.
He said I got it, Dad.
He's got it. He's such a big help. You're such a big help.
You got your cup.
Come on, let's go.
All right, let's go, baby.
Come on. The thing is, he knows his way from the room door all the way to the elevator.
Yeah, he does.
He knows to wait for the elevator. He goes into the elevator. He knows to stand there and wait. When the door opens, he walks out the elevator, and he knows the path to the car already. And he'll do it all by himself. Doesn't need us to help at all. That's like amazing to me.
Come on, buddy.
It's just, yeah, he's amazing. You're amazing. Where are you?
He's coming.
You're amazing. Okay, see you at the pool. So we made it over to the main pool, the pool you always see us at. We are going on this little splash pad at first, because I think Lincoln's going to love the splash pad. Right now it's not splashing too much, but it gets up there pretty good. Then we'll go in the main part of the pool later, and maybe even under a waterfall. Or next to a waterfall, not under it. Next to it? Next to it.
Oh, look, the water's starting to go. He just wants to go to the water and that's it. He's like, forget this splash pad thing.
So little boy and I have already ran through the splash pad when it was like full on mode. Now Kristen's taking him out. Just exploring a little bit. He loves it. He absolutely loves it. The problem is he wants to run off of it and run back into the deeper water. And even though it's only 1 foot, we can't let him do that. But he's having a blast. Eventually we'll put his swim jacket on, and he'll be able to like float in the 1 foot water section. But once this gets going again, we'll show you him running through it. As long as you keep him centered. He's like, let me go, mama. He's like, go on, go into deep water. Lincoln. Mouth wide open, happy as ever. Yeah. Okay, little boy didn't want to be over in the kid play area. No, he's too good for that. He wanted to be in the deeper water.
Yeah, he did.
And now that he is,
He's happy.
he's having a blast. He can still touch here. And like it's right to his arms, and he can hit the water, and he's not going under. I tried to teach him to blow bubbles yesterday. That's what he's like sort of trying to do. But he's not allowed to do it without me. No, you're not.
No, no, no.
Yeah.
No, no,
You like the deep water, don't you? Don't you? He did not want anything to do with, after like the first 3 or 4 times, he didn't want anything to do with the splash pad, which is weird.
That was weird.
I think if it was like just a total splash pad with no water around it, he'd be fine.
Yeah.
But because there's like a foot of water all the way around it, we couldn't let him just run.
He wanted to be in the water.
He did.
Hands down in the water, that's it.
Yeah. So there are splash pads around town, like back at home. We'll take him to some and see how he does.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold it.
You're putting your back up.
There you go. playing past the baby. He loves the waterfalls. He's so intrigued by them. Right through them.
What you doing, Lincoln? Is Daddy teaching you how to swim?
Learning how to swim.
So you're never too old, huh? I meant to say you're never too young.
Never too young, Mama. You're never too young. Gotta kick your feet.
You're doing so good, baby. He's like, Daddy, I want to be in the water.
Gotta kick your feet.
Whee! Yay!
He loves it so much.
He does. He just loves to be in water. Hi, buddy. Does that mean we really need to get a pool?
Yeah. Yeah, we do.
Because Lincoln just loves it. Yes,
Yeah.
you do. Are you talking to Dada?
Yeah. You okay?
Say yeah.
You
Hey, okay.
You wanna go on your back? You wanna go on your back? Go on your back.
Float, baby, float.
He's not like floating yet.
He hates being on his back.
Sure.
Baby, you're doing good though. You gotta float. You gotta float, buddy.
You gotta learn how to float. Yeah. Yeah. So I really thought I was gonna wait maybe another year to put the bigger pool up and just keep the baby pool this year. We may start with the baby pool, but the bigger pool might be coming sooner than we thought. Which is kind of a bigger project because I gotta like run electricity and get permits and all that stuff like that. But it might be happening. Ooh, sun glare! Sun glare baby! Sun glare baby! Yay! Because he loves swimming. Do you want to see instant happiness? Watch this. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Mama shark do 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 do, mama shark do 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 do, mama shark do 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 do, mama shark. Papa. Oh baby, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Instant happiness. Jump! I think they're falling.
Alright, ready? So 1, 2, 3! Whoa, dude! Woo. Way to go!
Ready?
Wow! Way to go, Lincoln! Woo. Are you a jumping machine over there?
Baby shark. You're a baby shark. You're a baby shark.
Are you the baby sharkies? Are you the baby sharkies? Ah! Babe,
Yeah, we're not in the pool.
we're not.
No, we were swimming.
You were.
Then we got cold,
Yes,
and it got a little bit later than it probably should have.
probably.
And so we had to go upstairs, hurry up, change,
Yes,
and now we're going to dinner.
we are. Ooh, we're going to CityWalk.
Yeah, we're going to go somewhere in Universal CityWalk.
Yeah,
Don't know
somewhere.
where yet, but yeah, be a good dinner.
It will be.
Yay, we made it to Universal.
Yeah, we did.
And something tells me we might be going the wrong direction.
There's a mass exit.
Well, I think the parks are all closed now.
Oh, are they?
Maybe?
That'd be why.
Or they're closing. Maybe they close at 9. I forget. But yeah, everyone is coming this way and we're trying to get that way. Is this the new Universal store?
It looks like it.
I think it is. I didn't even think it was like ready to be opened yet. But maybe it is. Wow. Very cool. Might have to stop in there if it's still open when we leave.
Yeah.
We'll have to see. But yeah, it's huge. Jeez. I see why they moved over here. It's like 3 times as big as the old one.
I see that. It's humongous. You have it.
So last time we were here, we wanted to eat at Big Fire American Fair Grill. But the day we came here was like the one day a week they were closed. So now, we're going to get a chance to eat here. I'm kind of excited. Well, hopefully we get a chance to eat here. Sad face.
Super sad face.
Just a 2-hour wait,
Yeah.
pretty much. To do reservations, extra reservations in 2 hours. Boo. So we're going to look around and see what else we got.
Yep.
Hi you guys. We're back at the resort.
Yeah, we are.
Kristen, how was dinner?
Haven't eaten it yet.
What do you mean?
I mean, we couldn't get in anywhere at CityWalk.
No. Every single place was either reserved out for the entire evening or had like a 2.5 hour wait.
Yeah.
Wow. Did not expect that. Never had that problem at CityWalk, ever.
But, you know, we've never gone also during the pandemic either, so.
True. I don't know if we ever tried it on a Saturday evening either.
That is another point.
So all those combined might be an issue.
Yeah,
It was an issue.
it was.
So then we went to Wendy's.
How
Kristen,
long-
how long did we spend at Wendy's in
Was
the
it like
drive-thru?
a half an hour?
Yes.
Was it more than a half an hour?
It may have been more than a half an
I
hour.
think it was. I don't remember.
By the time we drove or walked to our car from Universal, which isn't a short walk,
No.
left there, drove to Wendy's, sat at Wendy's. That was a good hour or 15 minutes or so.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Could have just stayed in the.
I'm just over it.
Yes. Lincoln was passed out. We wore him out today. So we brought him home, put him to bed. We're going to eat our Wendy's and then go to bed ourselves.
Yeah.
Because we got another big day tomorrow.
We do.
We just keep on going.
We do.
We'll talk to you then.